Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to hide videos in your Android gallery. Many Android phones offer a simple, built-in way to keep your private videos out of sight. You can usually find this feature directly within your gallery application. It's a quick and easy process that takes just a few taps, ensuring your personal content remains private. This method is often the most straightforward for basic privacy needs. Many Android devices, like those from Samsung or OnePlus, include a dedicated secure folder or private space. This feature creates an encrypted area on your phone where you can store sensitive videos. Accessing this space requires authentication, such as a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, adding an extra layer of protection. It's an excellent option for content you want to keep highly confidential. If your phone lacks a built-in secure folder or you need more advanced options, consider a third-party app. The Google Play Store offers many video hider applications. These apps often provide features like decoy modes, cloud backup, and strong encryption. Always check reviews and permissions before installing to ensure the app is trustworthy and respects your privacy. To unhide a video, simply navigate back to your hidden album or secure folder and select the Unhide or Move Out option. It's wise to regularly check your privacy settings and hidden content. Always remember to back up any crucial videos before moving them, just in case. This ensures your precious memories are safe and accessible when you need them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.